Vishal, please mute yourself, Vishal. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
let me start. Yesterday, what did you discuss?
Types of
Types of
matrix.
matrix.
Type of matrix. In that we have seen first type, row matrix, column matrix, then scalar, diagonal,
Square
Square.
matrix.
scalar, diagonal, unit matrix, identity matrix.
Unit matrix.
Okay. Write on the next matrix. Write on the next matrix is rectangular matrix. The next matrix is, where is my pen? Yes, here is pen. Just setting my pen. Rectangular matrix. So what is the rectangular matrix? What is the rectangular matrix? Yes. What is the rectangular matrix?
Number of columns greater
Matrix
than
in which a matrix in which
Number of columns not equal to number of rows are different.
number of rows is not equal to
Number of column.
column. It's called
Rectangular matrix.
rectangular matrix. Write down. Okay. Example. This is the example of rectangular matrix. A matrix in which number of rows is not equal to number of column is nothing but a rectangular matrix. Okay, write down this. Okay, over. Write on the next matrix. Okay. Next matrix is zero matrix. Oh, sorry.
Null mat.
Zero matrix झालं काल?
नाही. नाही.
Okay, write down the zero matrix or null matrix. Zero matrix or null matrix, write down. Zero matrix or null matrix, write down. A matrix containing all its entries equal to 0 is called as a null matrix or zero matrix.
Hello, sir.
Okay.
Zala.
Yes. And the
Yes,
zero
sir.
matrix is denoted by. The zero matrix is denoted by. Yes. Anyone? Right on the next. Zero matrix is denoted by.
Psi.
No.
Phi.
No. You say that set. Set मधलं सांगितलं तुम्ही. मी मॅट्रिक्स बद्दल बोललो. Zero matrix is denoted by.
तर 0 आणि त्यात हे काय
Zero आणि त्यात काय?
5.
Just a single zero. Just a single zero. Single zero जरी असेल तर we denote that this is a zero matrix. We take as zero matrix. We take as zero matrix.
sir.
Suppose we are take the equation like this: a square plus 2a plus 4 equal to 0. Suppose this a is nothing but 2 by 2 matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2 by 2 matrix. So right on the same equation we can write out like this: is a square 2a 4. So what is the 4? What is here? 4. Simple 4 define करणार का? नाही. याला काय असणार आहे? One identity matrix I multiplied by I and 0 in terms of 2 by 2. Here I 2 by 2 म्हणजे matrix also होणार a square is 1, 2, 3, 4 हा square होणार 1, 2, 3, 4 plus
2 into
1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4 times I 1, 0, 0, 1 and here is 0 matrix 0, 0, 0, 0. This way we are defined that zero matrix and identity matrix. Simply we are defined that I is nothing but identity matrix and depend upon this we are take the order कशी घेणार depend on your original matrix A. Suppose A matrix is 3 by 3 we are taking that 3 by 3 matrix. Suppose A is 4 by 4 we take 4 by 4. A is 1 by 1 we take 1 by 1. Okay, this is zero matrix and null matrix. Clear this? Clear this? Rectangular matrix, null matrix, zero matrix. Clear this?
yes
Yes. Yes or no?
yes sir.
Yes. Okay, very good. So who is the late joining? पण मला तुम्ही काही जण जॉईन करत नाही लेक्चर वेळेवरती आणि काही जण काल नसतात. त्यातलं पहा रोल नंबर 42 and 16 आज आलेत. I don't know why you yesterday did not attend this lecture. I don't know why. Okay. Then 18. असं करू नका रे मित्रांनो. अवघड होतं ते. आदित्य आता आला तू लेक्चरला 29. असं काय केलं आदित्य? हा? Okay, so right on the next matrix is upper triangular matrix. Right on the upper triangle matrix. Okay, so what is the upper triangular matrix? A square matrix in which all element below the principal diagonal element are 0. Upper, below, and lower, above the diagonal element. That's the main difference. Okay, so in that all element in upper triangle must be 0, but at least one non-zero element should be present in lower triangle. Okay, at least one element means, suppose sometimes this element like this, the matrix is like this. We take that element like this: 1, 2, 3 diagonal element, 0, 0, 0. This is upper triangle matrix. Sometimes the matrix like this: 0, 0, 0, 0. But at least one element in lower triangle is what? This be non-zero, means either it is any value, okay. आपल्याकडे येते. विशाल, please mute yourself. विशाल कुलकर्णी, please mute yourself. ही केस पण अपर ट्रायंग्युलर मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये होते. अशी काय केस येते पहा, द सेम मॅट्रिक्स अशी काय येते: 2, 3, 5, 0, 0, 0. अशी काय येते की त्याचे डायगोनल एलिमेंट पण 0 असतात. Diagonal element पण 0 असतात. That matrix is called as strictly upper triangular matrix. That called as strictly upper triangular matrix. Strictly upper triangular matrix. Okay. So this is upper triangular matrix. Similar, write on the definition of lower triangular matrix. Okay, no problem. Similarly, yes, Sangram, I will mention your. Okay. Similarly, we have mentioned the lower triangular matrix. What is lower triangular matrix? What is the definition of lower triangular matrix? Lower triangular matrix. Next, lower triangular matrix. So what is the lower triangular matrix? Next definition: lower triangular matrix. What is lower triangular matrix? A square matrix in which all the element above the principal diagonal are 0
are called lower triangular matrix.
That is the same definition for the lower triangular matrix. Just instead of this below, we can write on the above word. Instead of the below, we can add the above word. We got the lower triangular matrix. Okay. So what is the what do you say that? What is the type number? कितना type आता lower triangular हा?
10th.
10th. Okay. झालं lower triangular. Write on the next. Symmetric matrix. Okay. A symmetric matrix.
A transpose.
Symmetric matrix. A square matrix in which Aij equal to Aji. For all I and j is called as symmetric matrix. A square matrix in which Aij equal to Aji. For all triangular matrix. Okay, so we got that the matrix like this. The element of this, just we have got the diagonal element A, B, C. The mapping of this A to 1 is same as sorry, A12 is same as A21. These are the same entry. Then A13 is same as entry of A31.
A31.
And here is A23.
23.
Same entry as A.
13. 231.
This is the symmetric matrix. Okay? Symmetric matrix. Okay? This is the symmetric matrix. That is another definition of the symmetric matrix is a matrix in which upper triangular is a mirror image of lower. Upper triangular is a mirror image of lower triangle. Okay, this is the definition of symmetric matrix. Similarly, we define the next definition. What is the next definition? Next definition: skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so write on that. Skew symmetric matrix: a square matrix in which all principal diagonal elements are 0. Or not necessary. Not necessary. All principal diagonal elements are 0. Not necessary. Not necessary. Yeah, skew symmetric मध्ये. Sometimes it is a non-zero, sometimes it is non-zero also. Okay, not necessary. The definition is I will take it from book. Actually, this is a just one particular case. Not necessary. Yeah? Not necessary. A square matrix in which Aij equal to minus Abi. That is the definition. What is the definition we write on this? Just write on the skew symmetric matrix. We write on in general case, no? What is the definition? A square matrix in which Aij equal to minus Abi for all I and j is called skew symmetric matrix. It's called skew symmetric matrix. Means example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 6, 7. Exactly opposite. 3 च्या opposite minus 3, 4 minus 4 minus 6 plus 6. So this is a skew symmetric matrix. So not necessary. This is a particular case for that all principal diagonal element are 0 and Aij equal to minus Abi. Particular case. Okay, we have see the in general case. We see in general case. Who is the to join the late? Please, Arshada and Pramod, please mute yourself. Roll number 35. Why you are joining the late? 35 OG. Rishikesh, why you are late joining? Rishikesh. Rishikesh, why you are late joining? Okay. So this is a skew symmetric matrix we are defined. Jete Rishikesh, roll number 35. Are you there? आपण 20 मिनिटं लेट आलात. का आला लेट? तुमच्या आत्ताची अटेंडन्स मी मार्क करणार नाहीये. आपलं लेक्चर 10ला चालू होतं, 10लाच यायचंय. Okay. So next we define the next one. Transpose of matrix. So what is the transpose of matrix? Net defined transpose of matrix. I think 12-1 na. Transpose of matrix. So what is the transpose of matrix? What is the transpose of matrix?
The interchange of rows and columns.
The interchange of rows and columns is nothing but a transpose of
matrix.
The interchange of called a transpose of matrix. First row becomes first column after taking the transpose of matrix. Hence, Aij becomes Aji for all I and j. Okay. So these are some example of transpose of matrix. Suppose this is a matrix. We are taking transpose just in terms of row into column. We got 1, 2, 3 in row. So what is the next in terms of column? 1, 2, 3. Prithviraj Babar. Are you there, Prithviraj Babar? Late join काय केलं तुम्ही?
काम होतो सर.
ओके. मग कामच करायचं का रे मित्रा? लेक्चर काय?
नाही सर, जरा अर्जंट होतो सर. सॉरी सर.
नाही असं नाही, असं कसं काही लेक्चर इम्पॉर्टंट नाही, नंतर तुम्ही पाहू शकतात ना लेक्चरचं काय असतं, आज होईल उद्या होईल है ना, असं नका करत जाऊ रे, असं नका करत जाऊ. So transpose of matrix, after that transpose of matrix, write on the next definition. झाले लिहून? Yesterday I will taught, just take the screenshot of this, there is no need to write on this all this thing, just take the screenshot and after end of this lecture we write on the all the notes. तुम्हाला काल मी म्हटलं होतं बरोबर आहे ना, कारण हे तुमचं ऑलरेडी झालेलं आहे, याच्यामध्ये आपण टाइम वेस्ट करणार नाहीये. हॅलो,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
okay. So nowadays write on the singular matrix. What is singular matrix? What is singular matrix?
Determinant is 0.
The matrix in which determinant is 0 is nothing but a singular matrix. Okay, square matrix is said to be singular matrix if its determinant's value is 0. Okay, its determinant value is 0 is nothing but a singular matrix. Similarly, we define the non-singular matrix. What is the non-singular matrix?
Determinant is not equal to 0.
Okay, very good. Okay, जर मॅट्रिक्स जर सिंग्युलर असेल तर कुठली प्रॉपर्टी एक्झिस्ट होती, किंवा मॅट्रिक्स जर नॉन सिंग्युलर असेल तर कुठली प्रॉपर्टी एक्झिस्ट होती. व्हॉट यू फाइंड इफ मॅट्रिक्स इज सिंग्युलर और नॉन सिंग्युलर, काय लागतं आपल्याला एक गोष्ट फाइंड करण्यासाठी? हा, यस,
नॉन सिंग्युलर मॅट्रिक्सचा ट्रान्सपोज घेऊ शकतो.
Singular matrix असेल तरी inverse.
यस,
matrix चा inverse निघत नाही.
जर मॅट्रिक्स जर सिंग्युलर असेल तर त्याचा इन्व्हर्स काढू शकत नाहीये. व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. इफ मॅट्रिक्स इज नॉन सिंग्युलर then we have find inverse of matrix. Okay, in the first case we have seen 12th standard, if we find a inverse, the first case is we must check whether determinant is not equal to 0 or equal to 0. We must check if determinant is not equal to 0, then we have find inverse of that matrix. This we have studied in 12th standard. Am I right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, write on the next definition. Non-singular matrix. If determinant of A is not equal to 0, determinant of A not equal to 0, then the matrix is non-singular. On next, write down for your information, this is the extra part, this is not in syllabus, this is the extra part. Okay, जर तुम्ही पुढे कधी तुम्हाला मॅट्रिक्स जर शिकायला भेटलं, पुढे आलं तर तुम्हाला ही माहिती असलं पाहिजे. सो राइट ऑन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट is what is the numbering? What is the number? How much? 16. Write down the matrix is idempotent matrix. Idempotent matrix. A non-zero matrix. A is called idempotent if A square is equal to A. It satisfies one condition, A square is equal to A. आणि माझ्या माहितीनुसार ज्यांनी JEE ला ऍडव्हान्स साठी ट्राय केला असेल, JEE ऍडव्हान्स, त्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही हे दोन गोष्टी शिकला असेल, एक ॲडेम्पोटेंट, सेकंड निलपोटेंट मॅट्रिक्स. त्या ठिकाणी एखादा अर्ध एक्झाम्पल त्या ठिकाणी तर 2 मार्काला तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी पाहिलं असेल. आय थिंक सो. ओके, so example is okay, where is it? Example is suppose A is equal to 1 0 0 0 1, sorry, A equal to 1 0 0, 1 0 0, 1 0 0 and 0 0 1 हा matrix आहे A. We check whether A is idempotent or not. So for that, what is the condition? A square is equal to, what is A square equal to? 1 0 0, 1 0 0, 0 0 1, then 1 0 0, 1 0 0, 0 0 1. Take the product of this. The product is always 1 0 0, 1 0 0, 0 0 1. The product is, we have got that A. Therefore, A is an idempotent matrix. A is idempotent matrix. Just we check. Just we check. Okay. Just we check. Okay. Just I will put the attendance in chat box. Check your attendance whether you present or not. Okay. Just I will put absent number on chat box. Huh?
चॅट बॉक्स मधले
मी टाकले अटेंडन्स बॉक्स मध्ये, चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये अटेंडन्स फक्त ऑप्शन नंबर टाकलेले आहेत. कोणी तुमचा रोल नंबर टाकू नका, फक्त ऑप्शन नंबर टाकलाय. चेक करा, मी जे ऑप्शन नंबर टाकले त्याच्यामध्ये तुमचा नंबर आहे का, असेल तर मला चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये सांगा.
नाही तिथं लेक्चर चालू आहे. लेक्चरला
पैसे घेतो तुम्हाला देतोय फक्त
मला स्वाईप करायचे, टेम्पिन टाकायचे. मला उद्या कॉलेजला जायचंय, उद्या परवा जायला लागेल तुला.
श्रेयश
हेल्पडाला का मग पंढरपूरला हेल्पडा वाचायला.
Okay. So just we have got that idempotent matrix. Now write down the last matrix. झाले का सगळ्यांचा idempotent matrix?
हो सर.
हो सर.
Now write down just last matrix is nilpotent matrix. Write down the last matrix, nilpotent matrix. मी तुम्हाला काल म्हणलं होतं की लेक्चर एंड झाल्यानंतर परत स्टार्ट करायचं. मी जोपर्यंत म्हणत नाही की आपलं लेक्चर संपलंय तोपर्यंत कोणीही बाहेर जायचं नाहीये. ओके. आता आपलं लेक्चर 1 मिनिटानंतर स्टॉप होईल, परत कनेक्ट व्हा. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट 17 nilpotent matrix. This is extra part, nilpotent matrix. So write nilpotent matrix. Or non-zero matrix A, so that A raised to k equal to 0 for some positive integer k. For some positive integer k is called nilpotent matrix. It's called nilpotent matrix, and K is called. ओके. आपलं लेक्चर संपतंय या ठिकाणी, म्हणजे स्टॉप 40 मिनिटाचं संपतंय. परत कनेक्ट व्हा सगळ्यांनी. इट्स कॉल्ड इंडेक्स ऑफ nilpotency. called, so what is the nilpotent matrix? A non-zero matrix A, so that a non-zero matrix A, so that a raised to k equal to 0 for some positive integer k is called nilpotent matrix, and k is called index of nilpotency. म्हणजे असा मॅट्रिक्स की ज्या मॅट्रिक्सचा a raised to something केल्यानंतर 0 मॅट्रिक्स येतोय. That is a raised to something. So we take the matrix 0 1 0 0. म्हणजे काय करावं लागेल पहा, आधी a स्क्वेअर करून ठेवा. a square 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Just take the product of this. A square equal to, what is the product? First row, first column, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0, then 0 into 0 0, 1 into 0 into 1 0, 1 into 0 0. So all element we got 0 0 equal to 0. So a square equal to 0. Therefore a is nilpotent matrix. A is nilpotent matrix of nilpotency किती, index किती, k equal to 2. Nilpotent matrix k equal to 2. 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 Yes, Sawan. What do you return? रितेश चव्हाण, काय लिहिताय तुम्ही?
नाही सर, चुकून झालं.
ओके, दिसतंय मला मित्रांनो तुम्ही काय लिहिताय तिथे. ओके, असं करू नका
सर. ते पेन वर चुकून टॅप झालं, अनम्यूट करायचं होतं मला.
असू द्या असू द्या. ओके, nilpotent matrix. ओके, झालंय सगळ्यांचं nilpotent matrix?
हो सर.
Now write down the next. And write down the next. 18 1. 18 1. 18 1. Submatrix. So what is submatrix? What is submatrix? What is submatrix? Submatrix. Submatrix. Yes, anyone? Submatrix. No one? The matrix which is obtained by deleting any row and column from the original matrix. From the original matrix is known as submatrix of matrix. Is known as submatrix of matrix. Suppose example, जर तुमचा ओरिजिनल मॅट्रिक्स हा असेल 1 2 3 4 a equal to, so submatrix of AR, cast the submatrix of AR. What What is submatrix of AR? What is submatrix of AR? Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Matrix 1, matrix 2,
Submatrix 2,
matrix 3,
3,
matrix
and 4.
4, then first row 1, 2, then 3, 4,
3, 4.
then column 1, 3, 2, 4. Okay, and original matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the submatrix of matrix. These are the submatrix of matrix. Okay. And next definition, minor of matrix. So what is the minor of matrix? What is the minor of matrix?
The value of determinant of matrix which is derived from crossing the rows and columns.
Okay. Anything? आणखीन कोणाचं काय क्लिअर मध्ये?
Value of determinant of a matrix which is obtained by deleting one row and one column.
Okay, okay, okay. Very good. आणखीन?
For square matrix, the minor of the element is the determinant of the matrix after deleting the rows and the columns at the element size.
Okay, okay. So write on that matrix. The minor of matrix is the determinant of a square submatrix. Is the determinant of square submatrix of a matrix. Is the determinant of a square submatrix of matrix. Square submatrix of matrix. Square submatrix of matrix. Okay. So this is nothing but submatrix type of matrix. This is nothing but type of matrix. We are end our type of matrix. So tomorrow, next lecture we will see exactly what is the concept of the orthogonal matrix. Okay. Okay, sir. Very good. So you understand? Yes, sir. Okay. If any problem?
Yes.
If any problem?
Sir.
Okay.
So example सांगा minor of matrix.
Minor of matrix example एकदम simple. बघा आता. हा जो मॅट्रिक्स आहे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. सपोज तुम्हाला मायनर ऑफ A22 घ्यायचा आहे. मायनर ऑफ A22 काय? डिटरमिनंट ऑफ स्क्वेअर सब मॅट्रिक्स. म्हणजे A22 चा मायनर काय आहे? A22 चा मायनर काय घेणार आपण की त्यातला जो इलिमेंट आलाय 2 2 वी आर डिलीटिंग दॅट सेकंड रो सेकंड कॉलम आणि सेकंड कॉलम डिलीट करायचा राहिलेले एलिमेंट लिहून टाकायचं राहिलेले एलिमेंट कुठला आहे 1 3
1379.
This is your minor of that A22. Similarly, you have find that minor of A23. A23 चा minor कसं काढणार सेकंड रो आणि थर्ड कॉलम डिलीट करणार सेकंड रो आणि थर्ड कॉलम राहिला किती 1 2 7 8 in general. Okay, this is a minor. Clear?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So